To add YouTube to your home screen, first you wanna navigate yourself to the YouTube on your app list. Tap and hold on to the application and tap on Send to Desktop. By doing so, you have successfully added the YouTube application on your desktop. However, if you're looking to add it on your home screen through the website, you want to simply open your browser of your choice, and here you want to simply open the YouTube website. And here you want to simply tap and hold on to the YouTube website. After that, you want to open the YouTube app. After that, you want to open the YouTube tab in the separate. After that, you want to simply open the website on a new tab. Open the tab itself, and here you want to simply tap on three dots over here. Scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen and tap on Install. By doing so, you'll be installing YouTube, and once the app is installed, you'll be able to see that on your home page like this. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.